So tell us, you mentioned that word, and I didn't want to cut you off as you were rolling there. So biophilia, biophilic, what is that?
Biophilia is the human connection with nature. The impact of biophilia comes out through how we culture our design and the impact biophilia has on design. Therefore, the word biophilic comes out, and this is how we interpret and incorporate our connection with nature in the structure and the fabric of the building, if you like. Just thank you for taking the time to look at the Mercer website. Mercer are an amazing business. Mercer International, as you know, they acquired the facility in Spokane, and they're doing it right. They're doing it the right way. They're focusing more true to their core business strengths, which is taking biomass into bioproducts. Now, Mercer is predominantly on pulp, very large sawmillers in Germany and pretty much spanning across the globe, Canada, US, Germany and Australia. And the natural step change for those guys was to go into mass timber. And this is why I did a lot of work before I joined them. We talked about their appetite for risk. You're going into the construction industry, equal at the same time, what their core values were. And, it's a very much an industrial trade company that's in it for the long game. And they recognize that, this is a growth market. And when we look at markets in Europe, CLT has been the disruptor. That has changed the dynamic. Glulam has been kicking around successfully since the 1950s. It's nothing new. But it kind of, Glulam's swept in the vortex of CLT. And when we look at Europe as a marketplace, that's been growing strong, 20% growth, steady into 10% growth year on year over the last 25 years. If we look at the North American market, that's really kicked in and people recognized it from around 2016.
Okay.
So a very young market here in North America.